In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar bushings on this Audi A4. It's going to be located under the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Your vehicle may have a shield right here that has some screws and some push pins in it. You're going to have to go around and take those out. This vehicle does not have that. We can locate the bushing right under this bracket here. I'm going to remove these two nuts. Use a 13mm socket. Those off. To make this easier, it's a good idea to replace the other side as well. Then you can tip the bar down a lot more. Tip this down. You take the bracket off. And the bushing's coming off with the bracket. So you want to pull that bushing out of there. And take the bushing, it opens up. And slide the bracket on. And you can do the same with the other side. Line the bracket up. Put the nuts on. And snug these down. And we'll torque these to 18 foot-pounds. Do the same on the other side. And if your vehicle had that shield underneath here, you want to reinstall that, put all the fasteners in and the push pins.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.